Hi everyone, we are going to create this design using smart techniques. How to create this design fast and effectively. Okay, so this is the front top view and this is the back side where it is done scooping. So scooping is done here. Okay, so let's start how to create this design. So first of all, I want to create 15 mm height or 20 mm height. So we are finalizing 20 mm. So first create reference line to create the 20 mm dimension. So 21 mm and just click this side. Now this is the height of total height of my earring. So now I want to create the shape. So bring it little bit near so I can see it properly. Okay. So let's move and move to another layer and lock them. Okay. So right now it's a pan type shape, not exactly pan, but we can create one circle and then we can use tangent options. Okay. So here the width should be 7.5 mm. So we are using 8 mm. Line from midpoint, turn on O snap option and use 2 mm. Oh, it's 8, so 4 mm. So this is my width and this is my height, total height. Okay, so let's bring it little bit upside 4 mm, and now we are going to create one circle. Okay, now we need to touch these endpoints. See the shape having a smart conversion and smart banding. Okay, so how to create in CAD software. So we have multiple options here and this is called tangency. So we can use tangent options either using circle or either using arc. So make sure if you want to see the names of these arcs, go to setting option and properties where you can click both the image and text so you can see the name as well. Now you need tangent to curves. So this is a very nice option. So how to use this option? So tangent to curves, let's see if this this option is working or not. So this is my option and now I am going to adjust my radius. So if you have top view, so it would be a very fantastic option. Otherwise you can adjust as per your requirement. Yeah, now I want to trim this outside curve. So select the all the curves which are see this arc is intersected by this circle and this line. So if I want to trim external portion, so I need these two objects as a cutter. So select them all, use trim tool, then click outside. Okay, now if I want to touch this arc to this point, we have another option, curve, extend curve by arc. Select the arc and extend to this line. Okay, so we always work symmetrically because we have make the things starting from 0. This is origin. So if you going to start anything and type in 0, enter, so it will start from the origin because this is the 0. So that's why we can use mirror option here. So type in mirror command and directly you have to define axis, middle axis, mirror plane. So mirror plane needs 2 clicks. Okay, now I want to fillet this end. You can use fillet curve or chamfer. You can also use a blend curve. So currently I'm going to use fillet and click one by one. Okay, now remove unwanted portions of the object. Select them all, use trim tool and trim them. Now I want to keep this center reference for future, so move it to another layer and turn off the layer. Rename the layer extra. Okay, now I want to apply thickness. So select the object and use join command. Okay, currently I don't want these options. Now what is the backside portion? So it is one kind of L shape. So for now I am going to apply thickness inside. Okay, join them. It's not joined. So suppose if you are not able to join your curves, use this method as I am going to show you. Select the objects, all the objects which are going to be joined, then type in project to C plane. So project to C plane means they all selected curves will be projected on the C plane, and then click on the yes option. So they are now planar, they are their all points are on single plane, then you can join them. So now check them double. Oh, this is something. Oh, it is overlapping. So when the objects are overlapping, then they cannot be joined, so you have to convert them into single loop. So remove which is not required. Okay, then again select and join. So Control J is the shortcut for the join. Now this is perfectly joined. I want to offset them now. So offset and type the distance, thickness. So 0.5 is the thickness. Select them and I need 2 mm extrude. So extrude distance should be 2 mm. So here type in extrusion distance 2 mm. Now again I need top side thickness. So we have created this wall. Now I want to create inside wall up to this height, 0.75 height. Okay, so go to top view, or either you can also work using perspective view. Select the internal curve. Okay, this is my top view, yeah. And again you can use offset tool and go to top, click inside. Okay, now again we can select two curves and type in extrude, 0.75 height. Okay, so now you can see the section. Okay, so this is fine. Now select them both and use union. So they are merged into one. Okay, now I want to create internal shape. See, it's one straight and this is dome shape for cluster type of diamond setting. So see, you can see here the straight and then round. Okay, so for this thing we need to go to top view, create the rectangle, rectangle using 2 points, 3 points. Okay, we are going to use 3 point. This is my first point, this is my second point, and now go downside. Okay, you can also specify proper dimensions. Select the circle and go to circle creation, then click here and type in the radius as required. Bring it little bit down. You can adjust their scaling. Okay, so for this we are going to extrude. Okay, so okay, these are too much downside. Go to right view and bring them downside. So now use extrude. Okay, first of all I am going to apply top surface. So here we are just exploding our joint curve. Now use rebuild command. Okay, make sure point count is going to be 4 and degree should be 3. 1 is for line straight work, so you have to make degree 3. Okay, so now select turn on edit points and select both the points, then give proper fillet, proper round shape. Now use sweep to first rail, second rail, and this is my cross section. Okay, I need 2 lines to fill up the side area, so create 2 lines first and second. Now use 2, 3 or 4 edge curves first and second. So it will fill up with the edge. Sorry, fill up edges with the surface. Again, if I am not able to see, you can use wireframe option. You can use same option here. Select surface from edge first and second, then done. Okay, so select the 3 surfaces, first, second and third. Now use join option. If the sides are open, you cannot apply cap, but right now I have just closed the sides sideways. So now I can apply cap command to fill up the bottom portion. So go to shaded view, see, you can see the bottom portion is open. Select them and type in cap. So now it is completed, it's solid. You can now use extrude surface to apply the thickness. So 0.65 bottom side and select them, type in union, boolean union, or either click here. So it becomes single object. Now this is my circle. Okay, now again I want to work on this object. So I will select the invert and control H for height. Okay, I need to specify some height. So I am going to use this option, line vertical to C plane. So it will, so this is, see the grid, I can see it is my C plane. So the line I am going to create will be perpendicular to that C plane. Okay, so now hover over your cursor on boundary. Then when center is highlighted, just click there and type in height. So I want 3 mm height. So it is showing preview, 3 mm is little bit high, so 1.5. So this is good. Okay, now I can define rail, start and point on arc. So this is my start point, this is my end point, and by going to right or proper view, front view is, I think so, it's going to be perfectly adjustable. Yeah. Ortho is on, make it off because it is disturbing. So now this is my perfect cross section down. You can also down it as your requirement. Now I want to follow this profile on this rail. So this is again new command, rail revolve. This is my profile curve, this is my rail curve, and this is my axis. Okay, so now select cap and use extrude surface. So you have to follow the things, and then you will be able to understand what we have done, what we have created, and how. So the commands and the things should be very clear to create any shape and hide the object. And see, now you can add diamonds. Okay, so top surface is a flat. We can apply here diamonds. We can also apply diamonds here in a dome shape. We can also add diamonds here. Okay, so this is my earring overall shape, and we can shell here because the bottom portion is scooped. So we need to add shell command. Type in the thickness you want, and this will only work if the thickness is have a proper value. So select this bottom surface and then done. So the thickness cannot be possible. So now undo it, again shell and make it 0.5, select enter. Now again it's not possible, so let's make 1 mm. Again it's not possible, so what we can do, we can create cylinder and then boolean union. So for right now we need to add C plane here, C plane to surface, select this surface and make 2 clicks. This is my first click and this is my second click. Now whatever I'm going to create will be created on this C plane because I have changed the C plane, sketching plane. Now you can use cylinder, go to boundary and set the height, click the cylinder. You can also check the wireframe view. This is perfect. Now go to boolean difference. So select first object, then enter, select second object. Okay, before that we can merge this as a union. Now this becomes single object, then we can apply boolean difference. So first object, then enter, second object, enter. So this is scoped. Okay, then go to top view and apply torus, which is cuddy for the jewelry. So here is the torus, specify diameter. It is asking for radius value, so convert into diameter, then type in diameter. 6 mm diameter and thickness is 0.75. Okay, it is asking for radius, so 0.5, enter. Okay, so then you can add loop. Oh, it is looking little bit bigger, but this is fine. Okay, thank you.